start saying the credit builders is for the young and the grown. Let's roll. Alright, so today we're going over a credit builder, and they go by the name of KOVO. And as you can see, they helping you build credit and earn rewards for that car, that house, for that special future idea you got in your head for yourself. So first off, they have no credit checks, no hidden fees, instant approval, right? And earn 1% on loans. So let's see, let's get down here. It says see real impact. So they report to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Your payment performance is reported to all three of them, and also Envious. If you haven't heard of Envious, Envious is basically like a data holding company, and I want to say, I believe this would be the first credit builder I've seen that took the initiative to report to top data holding company. So that's good to see. With your turn with these guys, you'll be able to track your score, track your FICO score. By the way, FICO scores are the best scores to keep track of. Not them Credit Karma scores that y'all like to keep up with, aka Advantage scores. You know, they look good to look at, but you know, FICO scores, the way you should be checking your scores. So you can get rewarded up to $1,225 in rewards. That's 5x more value than the cost of their credit builder. So let's skip all this. Let's see. Let's get down. We got testimonials, right? And I want to tell you guys the reason I'm going ahead to do a video on this is because I recently just helped somebody sign up for this. So within the next 2 to 3 months, I will be able to have some data points. I'll be able to do an update basically on this credit builder. So that's why we're gonna go ahead, get this video out of the way, you know, get it posted. So you can build with installments for $10 a month for 24 months, you know. As we previously just read at the top, it's reporting to 4 credit bureaus and not 3. It's kind of like kickoff. So you will be able to basically learn some courses. With the $10 a month that you pay, you will be eligible to pick a course that basically find better outcomes, useful skills that they state right here. Get smart in the skills that help you successful in fast changing world. Now, the person that I helped sign up for this credit builder, I did not pick any courses for them, so I don't know what type of courses they have up there. But if I get bruh on the phone, then I may drop it in the video, and you can see the type of courses that they have going on. And basically, that's it, man. So it's a few questions, Q&A that they normally probably get. So matter of fact, here's the courses right here. Courses are created by instructors to help you hit your goals. Wow, these courses are altogether valued at over $400. Okay, you make them available as a collection for $240. Okay, so that's the 2 years. Including are the following interactive courses: job interview skills, okay, interview strategy and answer scripts, self-confidence and self-esteem, confidence, self-awareness, entrepreneurship. That's what y'all need to be. That need to be the first course y'all go look at. How to start a business, from business idea, personal branding paths to top 1%, influencer personal brand, stress management with time management for burnout and anxiety, entrepreneurship, sales training, techniques and methods, e-commerce, boot camp academy, okay, Google Sheets, fundamentals, intro to programming. Okay, sounds like they got a good thing going on here. as we stated in the top of the video, there are no fees. So yeah, they have no fees. Okay. As we all know, with most credit builders, there shouldn't be no credit check. It should be trying to approve you on GP. We went over who they report to. They're reporting to 4 credit bureaus, not just 3. They decided to take the extra step and report to a data holding company. So, and it tells you right here how do they basically their system works. So it says bill with installments, pay $10 a month over 24 months, learn with courses, earn with rewards. We done basically seen that previously within the last 2 or 3 minutes of this video. What you are doing here is pressing the course on credit with the KOVO installment plan. Payment history is the single biggest factor that contributes to your credit score. And with the KOVO installment plan, your monthly payments are reported to the credit bureaus. What this means is that with KOVO, you can be on your way to building a strong credit profile. So they focus on helping you building the link of your credit profile through the credit services that they are offering. So you go up here, sign up, and I didn't take the initiative to record, and I was helping Buddy. So, but with that being said, at this point, y'all know how the game go. It's gonna ask you after you create an account, your email, your password that you would like to have. Go and confirm your password. Then from there, it's gonna ask you your full name, your middle initial, if not your whole middle name, your last name, your socials. Probably ask the last 4 of your socials. I can't remember. Just keep in mind when you're doing any applications, any credit product that you're doing, it's about the same questions, So it ain't nothing new under the sun. Answer the same repeated questions, and then you be on your way to having something reporting to your credit profile along with the other strides that you're taking to get your credit profile tight. That's it. LLC Doncho Financial Tips. Like I said, we went over this video to help you sign up for KOVO because data points will be coming in the near future. So stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe. We out.